Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lagging problem after updating iOS. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone is lagging after updating your iOS, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your settings app and here go to battery, then go to power mode, and you just have to make sure that your phone is not on low power mode because sometimes whenever you try to enable your low power mode, your phone starts lagging. So once you have disabled your low power mode, you have to go back. You can also try to reduce your motion to with spray your phone to animations. Go to accessibility, go to motion, and just enable toggle to reduce motion and to reduce animations of your iPhone. So once you have done, animations of your iPhone will be reduced. So once you have done, just go to the app section and here look for Safari or your own browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, so I'm gonna look for Safari here. Select Safari and just look for clear history and website data. Select this option, then tap on all history and then tap on clear history. It will clear all the history and website data of your iPhone because sometimes it might be that your website data might include some junk files. So it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. After doing that, you can try to disable background app refresh. Just go to a general section, go to background app refresh, and just try to disable this from here. It will don't allow to your apps to run in background. So once you have done, just go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. But you can also go to your general, go to software update, and try to update your software. You have to make sure that you haven't any kind of pending software update here. If you find this, try to update your app or update your phones. After updating, your issue will be fixed. Once I've updated your phone, I recommend just try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix magic glitches. Now to do this quickly, press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and here go to iPhone storage section. You just have to make sure that you have enough storage. You have almost 5 to 10 GB free with your iPhone storage to use your iPhone as smooth. After that, you can also check for any unknown app. If you find any unknown app or any non-misbehavior app, so you can try to remove that app from here. So sometimes it might be that your app is has any junk files, so you might get these type errors. Just try to remove your unknown apps. Let's say I'm gonna remove this one. Just try to swipe it from here, then tap and delete, then tap and delete again. It will completely remove or uninstall that app from your iPhone, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.